Have you ever stopped to think about the impact of breakfast on your body, especially after the age of 60? What if I told you that the simple habit of drinking coffee could become a powerful tool to rebuild your muscles and regain your strength? And the best part? You don't need expensive supplements or drastic changes in your routine. Today, I'll show you how coffee can be your ally to feel stronger, more energetic, and ready to take on daily challenges. But to do that, you need to add the right ingredient. Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll discover a simple but powerful secret to transform your morning routine. Now tell me, how do you usually drink your coffee? Black, with milk, or sweetened? Leave your answer in the comments below. Your response will help me personalize the tips here on the channel even more. Because what I'm going to share today could change the way you see the first meal of the day and improve your health in a way you may never have imagined. By the end of this video, you'll understand why one simple ingredient can turn your coffee into a powerful drink for your muscles. And more, I'll teach you how to make it the right way so you can reap all the benefits and start feeling more energetic in just a few weeks. Did you know that after 60, the body starts to naturally lose muscle mass? This is known as sarcopenia, and it's not just an aesthetic process, but a functional loss that directly affects your mobility, strength, and energy. Weak legs, difficulty getting out of bed, back pain, loss of balance, and even falls are some of the most common symptoms. But here's the good news. This is not inevitable. With the right nutrients at the right time, you can not only slow this process down, but also reverse some of the damage. And the key to this is in your breakfast, right in the morning, when your body is most receptive to absorbing nutrients and starting the day on the right foot. The first meal of the day is the most important moment to activate metabolism and start the process of muscle rebuilding. Think of it as the starting command for your body. It's in this meal that you tell your body it's time to produce energy and strengthen muscles. And coffee is perfect for this moment, since it stimulates the nervous system, improves circulation, and prepares the body to absorb nutrients much more efficiently. But there's the problem. Most people drink coffee black or with regular milk, which, instead of helping, may be wasting this opportunity to strengthen your muscles first thing in the morning. I want to share the story of Dona Lourdes, a 68-year-old woman who had always been active but started to feel the effects of aging. She noticed her legs were heavier, her knees ached, and even climbing a step became a challenge. She thought it was just part of aging, until a doctor told her, muscle recovery starts with nutrition, and breakfast is the starting point. That's when she changed one small habit in her morning routine. Within less than a month, she began feeling more energetic, her legs were firmer, and even her sleep improved, all with a simple change in her coffee. Today, Dona Lourdes says she feels 10 years younger. But you might be wondering, why is coffee so special for this? Coffee wakes up the nervous system, improves blood circulation, and activates metabolism. But it needs a helper to do the muscle rebuilding work. That's where the secret comes in. Scientific research reveals that when we combine coffee with the right ingredient, our body starts rebuilding muscles much more efficiently. But what is that ingredient? Hold on, I'll tell you soon. The secret is hydrolyzed collagen. Yes, that's right. Collagen, which is often associated with skin health, is also one of the building blocks of muscles. About 10% of our muscle mass is made of collagen, and as we age, the production of this protein significantly decreases. This contributes to the loss of strength and firmness in muscles. Hydrolyzed collagen is the broken-down form of this protein, which is easily absorbed by the body. When consumed with coffee, it enhances nutrient absorption and speeds up muscle regeneration. Now that you know what the ingredient is, let's get to the preparation. It's super simple. 1. Brew 200 milliliters of hot black coffee without sugar. 2. Add 10 grams of flavorless hydrolyzed collagen. 3. If you like, add a teaspoon of cinnamon powder to boost the antioxidant power and flavor. Stir the collagen in while the coffee is still hot until fully dissolved. And remember, avoid adding regular milk or sweeteners, as they can reduce collagen absorption. Here's the 30-day protocol for you to feel the effects in practice. Week 1. Start with 1 cup right after waking up, and, if possible, take a light 20 to 30-minute walk. Week 2. Keep the coffee with collagen and add 10 minutes of simple exercise, like chair squats or calf raises. Week 3. Keep everything and add a light protein portion to your breakfast, like scrambled eggs or natural yogurt with oats. Week 4. Review your progress. Can you climb more stairs without stopping? Is your energy better? Continue with the coffee and keep up the exercises. The key here is consistency. No need for intensity, just a daily habit. Some common questions. Can I use any collagen? Hydrolyzed collagen is the best for this purpose, as it is easily absorbed by the body. What about people with diabetes? Don't worry. The coffee base is sugar-free, and you can adjust the ingredients according to your needs. Do I need a restrictive diet or expensive supplements? No. Coffee with collagen is a simple and natural solution that can be integrated into your day without drastic changes. What you learned today could be the key to changing the way your body responds to aging. We're not talking about miracles, but about an intelligent and natural process to reclaim your strength and energy. With a simple cup of coffee and collagen, you can start a new cycle of muscle recovery. Imagine waking up every day with more energy, no pain, firmer muscles, and ready for whatever comes your way. This is not an inevitable fate. It's a daily choice that can transform your quality of life. Now I want to know, are you going to try the 30-day challenge? Comment below, I'm in, if you're ready to transform your breakfast. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who also needs to recover their strength and vitality. Let's embark on this transformation journey together. Remember, aging is inevitable, but losing your strength is not. See you in the next video.